Hello guys, you are with Harry Ashcott Studios, and today I want to show you on how you want to repair your favorite hanger, clothes hanger, which is break like this. Okay, so it already break. Okay, but this one still okay, but we need to fix this in order to give the full strength when you hang your clothes. So on how you're going to repair this, I'm gonna show you the easiest way. What you need is cable tie. Okay, cable tie. You need marker, hand drill, mini hand drill. Okay, so first we need to measure how we going to cable tie this one. So we need to punch a hole over here and over here. Okay, over here and here, so that we can cable tie this one, then we'll give the full strength to the clothes hanger. So we need to mark it first. So this one, okay, like this, so we can punch it here and over here. Okay, so punch these two holes so that we can use this cable tie to tie it back. Okay, but first we need to choose the right drill hole. Okay, the right drill. So we are going to use this one. Okay, if we measure this one, so you can see it almost the same size. So put it here. This one the wrong height. Want to change this one, the correct one, is it? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Still no. Okay, this one. So we're going to use this one. Okay, so make a hole on this one first. Okay, done. So you see a hole over here, so we measure back. Perfect. Okay, so perfect. So we punch the other one. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, in the middle between these two, so in the middle, so that it will gain more strength during we use the cable tie. Okay, then. So you got two holes. Okay. And now you just use the cable tie. Pull it here, over here, here, and put it tight. So now it gain the full strength. See? Okay, put it to the limit. So now it gain full strength. So you can use it as usual. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, see it? See it? See? So perfect. So just cut the excess hair and you can use it. So easy. Okay, thank you for watching.